Hello, welcome to my channel. How you doing? Hope you are doing great. Today I'm making cream tart. I hope you like the video, and you can also make this for your family or for your friends. It's very easy to make. Just follow the step and you'll come out with a good result. So I was not able to get the number. I have to construct this myself. First of all, you mix flour. I wanted to use this small hand mixer, but I think it was too small. Add powdered sugar or icing sugar. Add ground almond. If you cannot get ground almond, you can buy normal almond and use blender to blend it and have this smooth texture. Add pinch of salt to it, optional if you like. So you combine everything together. Add cold butter. What was I thinking? This thing was small, so I have to transfer to my mixer. So I transfer it to my mixer. It was too small for the measurement. So mixer got to do the work. Mix until everything is well combined. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, turn off your notification bell in case I upload any new video. You will be the first to be notified. And please share my video with your friends, family. Share, share my video, please. Add vanilla extract or flavor of your choice, any flavor of your choice. So this is one egg. You whisk with your fork and pour it into the mixture. I don't want to waste my egg. I make sure it was empty. So mix very well. Mix until you form a dough. And for my subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. My returning subscribers, thank you. I say God bless you all. So after mixing, I'll take it out of the machine. I'll use my hand to mold it very well. You can see it's very soft. Just follow this measurement. So put it in a plastic bag or any airtight bag and refrigerate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. But I did not have that patience to wait for that 1 hour. It was not even up to 20 minutes before I take it out from the refrigerator. So you see how it's looking after it was not up to 20 minutes. So you knead and roll out the dough. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed, comment, and let me know if you're going to try this recipe. But I wish you try it out. So roll it out, roll it very well. So my working surface was kind of small and tight. After rolling it out, you refrigerate again for another 30 minutes. But if you know you don't have that patience, you can refrigerate for 20 minutes. It's okay, it will still come out nice. So this is after I refrigerated for 20 minutes. So I'll roll it out again just a little before I cut my number. So you can cut any shape or any design you want. If it's alphabet or number, you can cut. So like I said from the beginning, I construct this number 3 myself. So you just have to trace out the number and cut it out. After cutting it out, the leftover is the same thing. You mold again and cut the remaining part because you are needing 2 parts. So this leftover, I use it to construct on the second part. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like my video, please. Leave a comment, okay? So you bake for 10 minutes or until it's golden brown. Don't allow it to get burned. I was trying to lift it up, but it was not going well, so I just decided to flip it over. You see how easy it was. So bake for 180 degrees for 10 minutes or until golden brown. So this is the outcome. This is how it look like. So if you want to decorate it, I have the video of how to mix the cream. And thank you for watching.